Master Chef Julian, what are we doing here today?
Today we had a lab where we included a whole pork tenderloin. We also had criteria that they had to meet. We wanted 1.5 cups of vegetables, 1.5 cups of starch, and we wanted to do a marinade on the pork tenderloin. So far we've evaluated 2 of the platters and they're at 100%. It's actually good. They met all the criteria. They had an acid, a fat, a spice, and an herb in their marinades, which was part of the criteria.
And we went for kind of an Asian style platter, and we had rice, a bed of like fried rice on the bottom, and then some broccoli along with a pork tenderloin that was marinated with soy sauce, ginger, cilantro, and a little bowl of soy sauce in the middle of it too. It was really good.
Sounds fantastic.
Yeah, we cooked our rice the day before because we wanted to get something done, and then the next day our rice was rock hard. Originally we're just gonna do like plain rice, so then we ended up just doing fried rice instead.
Creative solution. What was the easiest part of the whole thing?
Yeah, we all had like an idea. Like I walked in here and I was like, I'm craving Chinese food. Let's make Chinese food.
Like, okay,
so.
ginger.
Yeah.
Ginger's good, and soy sauce. So yeah, coming up with the idea was easy for us.
How have your students progressed through the year so far to where we are right now?
Well, when they first started, I would say 80% of them probably didn't know what a pork tenderloin was. They didn't know what a flat top was, what a saute pan was, what the grill would do. We've tried to open them up to open their taste buds to be more experimental, at least try something, at least try it. You may not like it, but at least try it. And if you don't like it, you can change something next time and try it again, you know. So I think they've progressed a lot.